Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. How to conversate with people without feeling scared. Now, if you always jump in a conversation with somebody and you just feel scared, like you don't know what to say, and then when you say something, you feel like what you said wasn't good enough, watch this video. Fellas, you're going to be dead in the next 1,000 years. Everything on this earth will be polluted. What are you scared for? What are you scared for, dog? Nah, y'all know what really makes me scared, right? And I've done this a couple times, right? And you know, I'm a confident man. Wherever I go, I shine my authentic self. So I remember when, like, it was this girl I was with, and she introduced me to somebody else's family, right? And like, when I walked in a building, when I walked in a house, like, yeah, I'm confident. I'm greeting everybody, but I didn't greet the mother. That was like, yo, I ain't gonna lie like that. Like, I ain't gonna lie, my nigga. Because I'm like greeting everybody and I'm like not overwhelmed, but I'm like overstimulated. But I forgot to greet the mother, bruh. And she was right there. Like, literally, like, while I'm greeting everybody, she was right there. If you're an introvert and an extrovert like me, because I love people, but I also love my alone time, okay? Now, what you have to do, you have to go put yourself in an environment where it forces you to talk. Like when I had my first job at Kroger's. Yeah, I had a lot of social anxiety when I was just always on my game staring at the screen. Nigga, that's so fucking normal. You're going to deal with a lot of mental issues just staring at the screen because you ain't got no social, like you ain't socializing with anybody. So, of course, you're going to feel socially awkward because look what you do on a day-to-day basis. And then you be beating your meat, nigga. Of course, you're going to feel scared when somebody actually in your face because you know what you're so used to? Watching pornography. And then playing a game. So when you enter a real conversation, you don't know what to say. Fellas, you have to put away pornography. Do you know what that does to your brain? That's the reason why you're so afraid to talk to people. That's the reason why you over-sexualize everything, even women. You over-sexualized than a motherfucker, bro. You hypersexual than a motherfucker, bro. Literally. And then when it's time for you to conversate with women, you so scared. And this is why women don't even want to conversate with men nowadays, bro. Like, do y'all understand that the dating era is so fucking corrupted nowadays? And the reason why women or nobody else want to conversate with you, because people go based off energy. When you walk in the building, look how you carry yourself. A lot of people, they touch their head like this, like they insecure. Nobody wants to talk to that. A lot of people, they go in a building and they look down like they just unsure about themselves. Like they just don't know what they want to do with their life. Nobody wants to talk to that. Walk in the building and smile. Just smile. I'm not saying do these. No, but like, have a little smile and shit like that. Make it seem like you're just having a good day, nigga. Fuck with yourself. You get what I'm saying? Like, walk with confidence, bro. Walk with certainty. You get what I'm saying? Because people, the world go based off certainty. The world loves those who know who they are. You have to know your self-worth. And you have to know how to greet people when you first walk in the building, bro. You get what I'm saying? Like, dog, when you see somebody and y'all catch eye contact, what's going on, bro? What's going on, bro? How you feeling? It's just simple things like that, okay? Now, if you're a person that get in a conversation with somebody, but you don't know what to say, bro, it's not about saying anything. It's about listening and making that person feel heard. Just by you making that person feel heard, they want to talk to you even more, and they understand that you are a great person. But you know what a lot of people do as soon as they enter a conversation? They like unsure. They like, I don't know. I don't know if I should be talking to you. I don't know. Like, I'm so scared to talk to you. Like, I don't like, they talk to people with uncertainty. And this is why people and women, specifically women, like if you don't know how to talk to women, bro, you would never get in her panties, bro. Like point blank period. Because in order for you to get down there, you have to stimulate what's up here. Pulling women is a spiritual thing. You would never truly see a man pull a woman without talking to her. You have to talk to her. You got to greet her. You got to respect her. You got to lock in with her, right? But if you're a person that be like, well, Jayyduty, bro, I always find myself in conversations and I just don't like be knowing what to say. Lock in eye contact. See, when you lock in eye contact, you improve your listening skills and you also will find out what to say. But the reason why you don't know what to say is because you're trying to say something without listening. Just listen. Literally, just listen. And then respond based off what they said. And another thing that helped me too, when they say something, make them feel heard. Now, when you make somebody feel heard, you will automatically know. It's like it's like whatever they say, and you be like, exactly. Exactly. You would know what to say because it's preparing you. Now your brain will like come up with things to say. You get what I'm saying? That's just how it works. Like when people talking to you, be like, exactly, right. Just make them feel heard and you would know what to say. You will have a comeback. But pay attention to how you are when you conversate with people, right? If you like these, you're going to feel unsure. You're not going to know what to say because look where your mind is heading to. Where's your mind at? Wherever your eyes is at is where your mind is at, okay? So if you like these and you looking everywhere, like you looking elsewhere, you're not looking at her, then you're going to feel lost. You're going to think lost and you're not going to know what to say. Bro, listen, dog. If I was talking to a girl and a girl was talking to me and I'm like, yeah, shit, yeah. Like, you know how people just be looking around, like, while they in a conversation, and it just looks like they just not supposed to be there. It's like they scared. It's like they just want to go home. It's like, I don't know. It's like they feel like some type of paranoia. Lock in eye contact because that makes you look way more attractive. I didn't have females look at me like, boy, you better stop looking at me like that. What you mean? You get what I'm saying? Like, and nothing too, right? You know Duke Dennis, right? A lot of people, specifically women, always compliment his smell, right? And like, you know, these females, they'll say something sexual to him in front of his face. It's not only because he smelled good and he looked good, it's because he caught eye contact with them girls. And girls, they can't stand eye contact. When you lock in eye contact with a female, you become exceptional from every other man. Because not every other man hold eye contact. Every other man is literally like looking elsewhere. You gotta understand, bro. This is how you not be like scared to, you know, enter a conversation, or this is how you like pull a woman effortlessly, right? You have to understand. Imagine wherever you go, it was a lot of beta, scary, not confident men. It was just a lot of men that was unsure about themselves. Imagine if you went to school and a lot of men were just unsure about themselves. Imagine if you went to work, a lot of men is unsure about themselves. You're going to want to think outside the box. You're going to want to do something differently. So if every man react like you, why won't you want to be different? Like, hold on, I'm not like every other man. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, you're going to do things that's differently. But make sure you lock in eye contact. That will improve how you talk to women. Another way on how to not be scared to talk to people, get off your phone. I know this is like an addictive advice in your hand, but it's true. Get off your phone. Like, I don't, that's kind of like disrespectful too. Like, imagine if you talking to your kids or you talking to your mama or you talking to somebody and they on their phone like these, not paying attention to a word you saying. So when you on your phone and people talking to you, especially your elders, they look at it like it's disrespectful. They look at it like, okay, you're not paying attention. So why should they pay attention to you? And why should women even pay attention to you when you always on your phone? Bro, you didn't, back in high school, right, I had a broke ass phone. Like, every girl knew my phone was just damn near broke. But I always used to pull a lot of women. A lot of women used to love hanging around me because the ones who's bored and the ones who's like in the present moment and who has nothing to do is the most turnedest ones. So a lot of women, they want to be around me because guess what? I'm turned, I'm talkative, and I'm more socialized. That's the same thing as talkative, but I'm more energized, right? So that's the same thing as being turned. Oh my gosh. But fellas, get off your phone and just lock in. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.